Alrighty here, a bit of a different lesson here today. Should be pretty quick. This is a bit of an activity to help set us up for success. We're trying to train our brains to help us show up when sometimes we might find it a little bit difficult. So number one, first, I want you to take 1 minute. I want you to take a look here in your spare time after work, on a weekend, in the evening, whenever you get your spare time. What are some things you like to do? I want you to pause the video here, list at least 3 ideas, and then unpause and see where we are. And then I want you to take another minute. I want you to consider a dream job, any dream job really, a job that you would really enjoy doing in the future. And then I want you to describe it. Describe either what you would be doing, describe how you would be spending your time, describe where you would be perhaps, and take a minute. I want you to get at least 3 ideas down here and then unpause again. And lastly, I want 5 ideas in this last box here. So in 10 years, you want your lifestyle to include. Maybe that's different things that you value. Maybe it's a certain location. Maybe it's surrounding yourself with certain people. Maybe it's spending time in a certain way. Maybe it's learning certain ideas that you don't know right now. So different things you would really like to learn more about, or different things you would like to spend your time doing. Take a minute, take 2 minutes here if you need. Get some ideas down in this box and then unpause here. Good, so in answering these first 3 questions, what we're really doing is we're trying to convince your brain, we're getting your brain to do a little bit of visualization, right? To visualize where it might be in the future, where you would like to be, and different things that you like. And we're trying to use that to help us draw some connections and try and build off of that to try and build up a little bit of reasons why we might be able to show up for something that can be difficult on some days. So you might be really, really tempted. This 4th question, there's a reason why I had you answer the first 3 first, and then we're talking about this one a little bit more. You might be tempted to say, okay, math will never help you because you can't see yourself using SOHCAHTOA or calculating probabilities or working with statistics in your everyday life in the future. But a little bit of a spoiler here, it's not about the context of the course. It's not about the curriculum. It's not about the material. What it's about is setting your habits and overcoming challenges. Right? I'll say that again. Our math course is not about the content. We are using the content to teach us so many different things. We're using the content to teach us how to show up. We're using the content to teach us how to ask for help. We're using the content to teach us how do we handle it when we get stumped? How can we keep showing up again and again and again? And so when we're considering how this math course can help you reach your goal, I want you to consider maybe you're looking at this as it helps you set a habit for showing up for something difficult. Maybe it can help you because it helps you build a habit showing up to learn something that you might not believe in or might find really challenging or might just really, really dislike, right? Maybe you're good at it and you dislike it. Maybe you like it and you find it really challenging. But either way, we're trying to connect any of these first 3 questions, things you like to do in your spare time, things that you're hoping to get out of your life, we're trying to connect those to anything we could get from this math course just by showing up and trying and communicating when we're stumped and building all of these habits. We're just trying to find some of those purposes. So I want you to pause the video here. I want you to get at least 2 ideas down for how this math course can help you reach your goal, and then unpause and we'll see where we come back. If you were successful, if you can get any ideas down here that your brain truly believes in, then what it's going to do, if you can work to, and there's a reason I chose this wording, to discover your purpose, right? Doesn't mean that it's really obvious. You might sit here and find it really difficult to find a purpose, but my goodness, if you can discover a purpose, it can help you by making practice easier. It can help you by making practice feel like it takes less energy. And these are proven. If your brain can see some purpose, all of these scientifically are true. It will seem easier to your mind. It will take less energy. Progress will be faster. It will help you find more motivation, which maybe you don't struggle with, maybe you do, maybe you don't struggle with some days, maybe other days you find a little bit difficult. And it will be easier to catch up when you fall behind. And we do expect you to fall behind, if not in this course, then in a future course. And if we can learn some habits to build up and find our purpose, that can help us out in so many different ways. So thank you for going through this activity with me. Obviously this activity can help you in any of your courses, but I'm hoping we can use it in this course to keep you along with us. Nice work.